Hello everybody, welcome to new video with my friend.
Hi.
The keep in mind there's a massive rod in the middle of the way, so I may not play that well. Well, pretty good, I would like to say.
So, actually pretty cool, you know?
Well, I guess I'm not getting that bonus one up.
Imagine if you missed that.
I'm so mad. I love those suckers can only go 90-degree angles. You gotta be kidding me. Look what I'm trying to do. It's not working. I'm pressing start, but it's not allowing me to continue the game. I forgot what B does. What am I doing? This is the first game by the actual Nintendo, and not by American company Nintendo, to actually have side scroll. I don't know why. It's like you can turn around. Try. I bet you can't. Don't forget there's a right there. Tanuki seat. I jumped.
So no, get this game.
You know what? I screw that one up. Oh, B speeds you up. That's what it does. B speeds you up. Also known as the speedrunner's favorite item. Bonk. That sucker.
They completely changed skin color.
I'm nearly dead, so I'm gonna just continue.
It's not a leaf?
No, it's a mushroom because I was a small boy. I'm so. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. I don't remember being this garbage. I finally finished level. I finally finished.
Ah! Ah! I don't know if they heard that.
They can hear a lot, trust me. They can hear the keybinds. I found out. Can you hear the keybinds? Yeah, they can hear it almost perfectly. Well, when it was on the table, not over here. I cannot see. The one area I needed to see, I cannot.
I wish that people didn't talk about that.
Oh,
At least
nobody knows it when you're first playing.
no, that's just somebody's wish.
If they're just strolling by and they find out, I would probably say that would. I mean, you have to do so many things just to get One more and I'm able to get him. Now here's the cool part. You can go straight down to that mini castle, but I'm gonna go straight here. Don't ask why, y'all. It's cause probably one up that. Oh yeah, forgot about this area. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. There's a thing right there that allows you to get coins. I completely forgot that existed. Like I just rammed into a block on pure accident. Okay, how do I fly?
Oh, you got the one things.
No, screw that. Guess I'm not getting it. That's a weird looking flower. Castle time, castle time.
Boss fight. When you fight Boom Boom. Who would name my character Boom Boom? No, not in a million years. But I think this guy's name is Boom Boom. Who named this guy? What did I find?
Also, the things are now waffles. I just
Boom Boom. I'm gonna beat the crap out of him. Who would name a character Boom Boom? Why am I not in this game? Why am I not in Boom Boom Boom? Why?
Oh yeah. Oh, everyone hates this part right here. Especially when you can't really see all that well. Guess what? In the Japanese version, it's right here. Here's the boss fight.
Oh, it's Boom Boom. It's Boom Boom. Why is his name Boom Boom? Why Boom Boom? That's what I hate. Why is his name Boom Boom?
Because he does that. He does that.
In the paper, not paper, in the 3D world, Boom Boom literally jumps around and punches the crap out of him. Oh wait, isn't this like a mini boss?
Did it. That's a kind of weird mini boss. That's just a thing that you can do. Keep in mind I'm on 2 hearts. You guys might hate this part, but guess what? I'll show you where that one up is, okay? You need the Tanuki suit. Okay, so you see where those clouds expand outwards? Yeah, that's where it is. You have to use the Tanuki suit to fly up. And yes, it's called the Tanuki suit. Don't ask me why. They should call it furry suit. And also, there's always this one block right there.
You don't know that?
That's how you skip the entire level. Oh, I got it! I got it! Got it!
5 lives. Why are you not gonna go to that mushroom tower or whatever?
What mushroom tower? Oh, I just don't want it.
How about you do the 4th one?
Oh no. Oh no.
It's easy enough. I did it before.
You did it before, but I don't. I did it before like 3 times. I failed every single time. That's why I never go that way. That's why I always go. That's the first death in a while.
You
Even though it says 5 lives down there, it's truly you have 6 lives.
Yeah, because, you know.
Because there's 0th life.
No, you suck at this game.
Yeah, I know.
You suck.
I'm sorry, I haven't played in such a long time.
Wrong?
Yes. That's just how my weird English works. Bruh. It went the opposite way as expected.
What's that one power called? The fire power is me I have to talk about.
Oh no. I officially hate this part.
No, what? Why did you not catch the ball, bro? Suck at this game. Suck at this game.
By the way, he's my techno ball I'm trying to make.
How is this, bro? How are you making like 10 touchdowns a second? My defense is 5 stars, 5 stars on offense. And you wanna know what their defense is? 1 star. You wanna know what their offense is? 1.5. Not even a half star. Not even 1.5. Just a half star. How is this guy beat? How is he beating me? It's 14-0, and I'm Green Bay.
Sure.
I get that nobody on Green Bay is good, but still. And another, we're losing 21. We're losing to
No, no, no!
LLL. Bro, I bet you could beat level 3 easier.
No, level 3 is easy. I never make that. Now, don't you dare. It dodge.
No.
I may not be able to survive. I have 2 lives remaining.
Change, you filthy animal.
I had 7 when I first did this level.
Now you only got pretty much 2.
It's these darn moving things. Oh, you aren't getting me that time. Right here, you just have to crouch. Oh! Maybe crouch a little later than I originally expect. Oh, I would have been so mad if I died there. There we go.
Finally.
There I got a mushroom. 10 coins. You only get 2, I think 2 or 3 tries. Yeah.
No, it has to be 2.
No, you get 1 try, and if you successfully do it, it doesn't count.
Okay.
No, it does count as one of your tries.
Oh my gee.
Oh no, the airship.
Oh, yeah.
This is technically the lab level 4 on steroids. Because of these suckers. This is basically the airship is.
Bullet Bill was my favorite.
Guess what? This is basically the Missouri. The USS Missouri. know how I dodged that. Okay, do not ask. You gotta be kidding me. Oh no. The airship is so... I have to go all the way to level 3. Probably should have beaten level 3, to be honest. Get out the way, Koopas. I have a business that's ready to attend to. I need to save for the princess.
Princess Peach, I wouldn't say it. This is your third freaking time. Gosh. That's the way I was thinking of downloading the cat clip from the videos since
Cool. Sorry y'all, I'm not talking. I have to be really concentrated. You gotta be kidding me.
I do it every day. You do my editor. It goes
Did you just see a Goomba fly off screen? Let me tell you, I have 1 life, and you won't believe how close I am to death. That's why I'm gonna flip this. Guess I'm not getting a free 1-up. I'm bobbing and weaving. I'm dead. I only have 1. Yeah. I had 1 hit left. Well, would you say that's the end of the video?
Yes. Bye, everybody.
Good luck.